Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. I'm going to make a girl's small basket just so you can see what my small looks like, because I haven't made any small baskets yet, but I do have some requests for some. So I'm going to let you watch while I make this small basket. Please make sure you tell me what you think in the comments. I think this basket is perfect, and this is I guess you could say an extra small, because my small baskets are a little bit bigger than this, because I do charge $35 for those. This particular basket I probably wouldn't charge more than $20-25 for. So tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, subscribe, and thank you for your support. To all my new subscribers, welcome to the Crafty Corner. Hi everyone, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you like the way this basket turned out, please make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for joining, and I look forward to your creations.